So, because of this pandemic and lockdown, our lives have turned upside down, right? For students, it's even more harder who are living away from their family. They have to think about finance, they have to think about their studies and everything. So, would you like to say anything to them? Like, so how would you manage if you were in that place where you're away from family?
Being away from family right now, I realize it can be a lot tough. So one thing I would definitely say to people living abroad, to students living abroad, is something that I've also experienced, is that even though we're young, when we stay away from our family, we feel like we have to protect them, that we can't really share our pain with them. Dukha dinu hunna bhanne jasto लाग्छ. Then what happens is we don't share our hardships, right? But then our subconscious mind wants that love and attention and affection. But then our parents, say for example, sitting here, they won't know that you're suffering. It's not going to be like total Bollywood that, parents sense something is wrong. You're completely telling them soft ticks up, but then the real picture is not soft ticks China. And then that sort of draws a drift where it's not necessary. It's something that I've seen happen a lot. So I would say that, your parents are strong to be able to handle if you're not doing well. They're your immediate close circle. So whatever you are feeling, I just feel like I need to just talk to you for a while. You sort of don't relay your reality. And when you don't relay your reality, you don't get that support that subconsciously or unconsciously you are craving, and that sort of draws the drift, right? And you try to fulfill that lack of support that you feel by making maybe not the best friends, or maybe diving into alcohol or things like that may happen. What I would say is be open and maintain that communication with people that you're close with. Good intentions lene dukha nadine bhanera, especially अहिलेको बेलामा गाह्रो भए पनि नभन्न खोजुन्ला, तर गाह्रो भइराछ भने भन्नुस्. ठीक छ, if your friends and family are not in a position to be able to support you, all universities, all education institutes, if not the state, wherever you're in, will have support services. So there would be free call helplines. I remember earthquake gako belama when I was in Australia, I was so frustrated. I didn't know what to do. I did not know what I feel. I just felt really, really bad. And at that point, I couldn't keep calling my family because, they were trying to figure things them out for themselves. So I called so many helplines, free helplines, to say, I'm just not feeling well, because you just need to talk to someone. Yeah. So I would say that all the support services that are there. अहिले त नेपालमै पनि कति धेरै यस्ता बाहिरबाट पनि कल गर्न मिल्ने नम्बरहरू छन्. So ask for help. Ask yourself how you are feeling. It is absolutely okay to not be feeling well right now. Acknowledge it and deal with it. हुन्छ नि के हुन सबै ठिकै छ भनेर त्यो एउटा delusionमा हिँड्नु भन्दा accept how you are feeling. Seek that support from people that you love, and with that open communication, your bond will even go tighter, and you will perform academically or physically. You will perform better, both of you, parents and people living abroad, students living abroad.